good way to prevent a leak before it happens would be to schedule an intrusive inspection with us once every 3 or so years. We can come out and evaluate your system and then give you a list of items that need corrected or need attention, again, to increase the longevity of the lifetime of your roof. Some of the other items that we check when we come out to do an intrusive inspection are your pipe flashings. In a lot of cases, animals such as squirrels and things of that nature like to eat away at pipe flashings that protect the surroundings of the area. They get inside these areas and they nest. We've had issues where bats have gotten inside actual attic cavities of homes and have to be remediated by a professional critter control, if you will. A lot of other issues that are caused by animals is the amount of debris that they bring into the valleys and underneath areas of the home that prohibit the water from flowing appropriately and backing up to bypass the underlayment, entering the interior cavities of your home. The inspection of sealant beads and roof mortars are also a very important facet of our intrusive inspections. Over time, these can fail, causing issues with moisture infiltration and allowing animals inside the interior of your home. It's definitely a good idea to check on sealant beads and synthetic mortars once every 3 years just to ensure that you're not having these animals invade your interior space.